Boltzmann law, right, that we know is this: the emissive power of a black body is equal to sigma into T power 4, right? See, in this law, Stefan and Boltzmann are two separate scientists, there are two names, right? So one of them has stated this theoretically as emissive power is proportional to 4th power of absolute temperature, right? And the proportionality constant is something which is called as Stefan Boltzmann constant. And the other scientist, he derived it mathematically and found the value for the Stefan Boltzmann constant. So that is how, right, we are discussing it now. So this is the general statement of Stefan Boltzmann law, which we already know. Now actually, starting from the fundamentals, right, if you want to find out, let's say this is equation number 1. Actually, coming from the fundamental definition of the total emissive power in relation to monochromatic emissive power. So the total emissive power can be obtained by integrating the spectral emissive power or monochromatic emissive power over all wavelengths, lambda is equal to 0 to infinity. So you have the expression for E by lambda from Planck's distribution law. So this is lambda is 0 to infinity C1 by lambda power 5 into E power C2 by lambda t minus 1 into d lambda. Now you can solve it, you can integrate it. Right? You know the procedure to do it. You can assume C2 by lambda it equals some other variable. Say C2 by lambda is x or y, whatever you take. Then when lambda is equal to 0, what happens to that x? Infinity. The C2 by lambda t. I am saying assume C2 by lambda t is equal to some variable, say y. So as lambda varies from 0 to infinity, y varies from infinity to 0. Then it will be C1 by you can solve this equation by following a set procedure of integration. And if you do that, you will get certain constant, right, into T power 4. So this is equation, this is purely constant. Some value you will get in terms of C1 and C2, nothing else, right? So now equating equation 1 with equation 2, T power 4 is constant, right, in both these terms, and you will get the sigma value as 5.667 into 10 power minus 8 watts per meter square Kelvin power 4. So this is the Stefan Boltzmann law.